At this point in our Investiture celebration, we recognize students, faculty member, and staff who have been selected or identified by their peers for special recognition based on academic and scholarly accomplishment. So to our recipients, I will be calling your name and reading a brief citation on your work from the stage. When I call your name, please rise and come to the stage using the stairs on my right, on your left. I will finish reading the citation accompanying your award, and I ask that you remain standing while I do so, so we may recognize you in front of your peers. After receiving the award, please pause for a photo before returning to your seats. Okay? Everyone got that? All right. You're talented students. I know you can follow along. The first award, no pressure on the first recipient to get it right. The first award is the Dartmouth Society of Engineers Prize. The DSE Prize is awarded annually for outstanding performance in an engineering project by a Bachelor of Engineering student or team of students. This year's prize, selected by the faculty, goes to Andrew Burson, Deirdre Lambert, Bridget Shia, and Bennett Winton, all of whom are members of the Dartmouth class of 2015 and the Thayer class of 2016. And I understand 2 of you are here today. Please come to the stage. For their BE project, the team developed a minced skin preparation and application device for use in a new application and approach to skin grafts, tasked with developing a way to evenly distribute minute pieces of skin across a wound. The students used an elegant design approach that incorporated benchtop work and computation, clinical work, human factors design, iterative prototyping, and went so far as to lay the groundwork for a process to seek approval from the FDA. Congratulations on an outstanding piece of work. The next prize to be recognized is the Charles F. and Ruth D. Goodrich Prize, awarded annually in recognition of outstanding achievement with special emphasis on academic achievement. This year's prize goes to PhD recipient Christopher Sheff, Thayer 16. Chris? In the words of the faculty, with theoretical prowess, strong laboratory skills, and a keen sense of the practical, Chris has helped lead Professor Jason Stouth's research group in new directions. He has mentored numerous graduate students and undergraduate researchers. He has authored several journal and conference papers. I believe the numbers are 3 journal and 8 conference papers already, with more in the pipeline, including one that he presented at the International Solid State Circuits Conference, and he has also, for one of these presentations, received a Conference Best Paper Award. So congratulations on an outstanding piece of graduate work. Next, we recognize the Thayer School of Engineering Corporate Collaboration Council Engineering Management Prize. The Thayer School's CCC Management Prize is awarded annually for outstanding performance in the Engineering 390 internship and project by an MEM degree candidate. This year's award goes to Lucas Miller, Thayer 16. Lucas? For his internship project, Lucas developed and executed a summer marketing roadshow for BioLite, a company that produces clean-burning portable stoves that can be used for cooking or for charging cell phones and LED lights. Lucas outfitted a vehicle, planned a road trip for maximal product exposure, reached out to customers and retailers, and measured the effectiveness of these marketing efforts, a nice combination of engineering, design, and marketing and business methodologies. BioLite, which was co-founded by former engineering major Jonathan Cedar, class of '03, deemed the project an outstanding success. Congratulations, Lucas. The Thayer School Faculty Award for Academic Excellence recognizes the student who has obtained the highest academic record in coursework required for the Bachelor of Engineering degree. This year's award goes to Jason Feynman, Thayer 16. Jason is a dual degree student from Middlebury whose GPA for the BE is an impressive and outstanding 3.93. Congratulations, Jason. The Thayer School Dean's Service Award recognizes the student who has made exceptional contributions to Thayer School, Dartmouth College, or the broader world. The recipient is selected from nominations made by members of the Thayer School community and is in the long-standing tradition of this school to recognize the importance of engineering and the work of engineers to improve the human condition. This year's award goes to PhD candidate Alden Adolph, Dartmouth 11, Thayer 12. In addition to pursuing her own PhD research, Alden has showed an extraordinary and ongoing commitment to educating youth and the public about science, engineering, and the value of a STEM education. Last summer, for example, this commitment extended to accompanying 15 international high school students to Greenland, where she introduced them to various aspects of polar research, including showing them how to measure the reflectivity of snow. Congratulations, Alden. The John C. Woodhouse Engineering Design Prize is awarded annually for innovation and ingenuity in developing the most inexpensive yet effective experimental research equipment. This year's prize goes to Caitlin Bell, Jason Feynman, Seth Gilbane, Lillian Huang, and Pauline Searles, Thayer 16. For their Engines 8990 two-term capstone design project, the team developed test systems to evaluate materials used in seals in Norwich Technologies SunTrap parabolic trough solar receivers, which must withstand severe thermal expansion contraction cycles. The two test stands cost $2,000 in materials to develop and fabricate, and the team did their own machining and fabrication in developing the design. The team's sponsor is now using the test stands to evaluate materials for their solar receiver design with potential commercial application. Congratulations to the group of you. The John C. Woodhouse Environmental Engineering Prize is awarded annually for the best work in the field of environmental study or research. This year's prize goes to Kyle Bramble, Robert Osgood, Graham Scott, Jesse Victoroff, and Shelley Wenzel for their work on a plan to add pedestrian and bicycle lanes to Hanover's Etna Road. Would you all please come up? The team adhered to guiding principles to minimize cost, optimize safety, respect environmentally sensitive areas, and improve pedestrian and bicycle use of Etna Road. They worked tirelessly with local, state, and regional regulatory officials to develop a plan that met the requirements of all. Their deliverables serve as a template for the towns of Hanover and Lebanon to implement similar road redesigns in the future. Congratulations on an outstanding piece of work. The Caroline Henderson Prize is awarded annually to an outstanding MEM degree candidate in recognition of academic achievement and service. This year's prize goes to Yahia Imam, Thayer 12. Yahia? Yahia, who was a former dual degree student from Skidmore, had the highest GPA of 3.71 in the MEM class of 2016. Congratulations, Yahia. The Special Faculty Award for Engineering and Service to Humanity is awarded annually to recognize a student or team of students in any degree program for exemplary achievement related to the application of engineering in service to society, consistent with the founding mission of the Thayer School of Engineering. This year's award goes to Paul Donnelly, Roxine Georgi, Adam Grounds, Nicholas Gutierrez, and Donald Stainer for their Engines 8990 project. Please come to the stage. This project was extraordinary in that the students got to see real-time application and deployment of their project well before graduation. They developed smartphone apps that provide real-time arrival information for the Upper Valley's free public advanced transit public bus system. The team conducted extensive user surveys, developed separate apps for iOS and Android devices, tested prototypes with writers, built the apps, beta tested with users, refined the design, and then deployed them as free downloadable apps at the iPhone and Android app stores. And they ended up as front page news in the local Valley News newspaper for providing a great service to the local community. Congratulations to the group of you. The Brianna S. Weinstein Engineering Design Prize is presented annually to a student or team at Thayer School of Engineering who have demonstrated outstanding design skill in developing or creating technology, systems, or devices to address the needs and challenges of people, but particularly children or adolescents with physical or developmental disabilities. This year's prize goes to Christopher Daldorf, Gabriella Grangard, Wad Kahuli, and Scott Mitchell. For their capstone design project, the team took on the formidable challenge of developing a novel cerebral shunt for treating hydrocephalus, a condition in which excessive fluid and increased pressure within the cranium can lead to chronic pain, severe disability, and death. The students designed an innovative cerebral shunt based on a biphasic mechanical popper valve validated it through benchtop evaluation, and made the shunt small enough for pediatric use. The team is presently pursuing a patent and has formed a company with their clinical sponsor to move forward with validation and potential commercialization of this greatly needed device. Congratulations. At this ceremony, as I said at the outset, we also recognize a few members of our faculty and staff for their outstanding contributions to the community and to the education of our students during the preceding year. The first recognition that I would like to announce is the Thayer School Excellence in Teaching Award. The 2016 Excellence in Teaching Award goes to Professor Petra Bonfort-Taylor. Petra? This is an award selected by the faculty leadership with significant input from the student community. Petra is a strong advocate of active learning who works to engage students through a variety of teaching techniques, including peer instruction, blended learning, flipped classrooms, online teaching, and the use of MOOCs. For instance, in her Engines 20 Introduction to Scientific Computing course, a core and critical first course for students who are aspiring engineering majors, she records online lectures and gives students online quizzes to work through prior to class meetings. Then in class, students work collaboratively on programming assignments and present their solutions to one another and to the class. In addition to pedagogical experimentation such as this, Petra pursues research in complex analysis, geometric function theory, hyperbolic geometry, and the mathematics of medical imaging. She recently wrote a widely circulated op-ed piece on the need to take the anxiety out of math preparation at the K-12 level. She was a visiting associate professor at Thayer from 2010 to 2015 while simultaneously teaching math as a tenured faculty member at Wesleyan. We were pleased to convince her to join our faculty on a permanent basis in 2015. Congratulations, Petra. In 2016, Thayer would like to recognize a member of the faculty for his long-standing and outstanding service to the Thayer community. The 2016 Outstanding Service Award goes to Professor William Lotko, the Sue and John Ballard Professor of Engineering. But wait, there's more. I do get to read the citation. Bill has been a tireless member of the Thayer community since 1984. He has taught courses in engineering design, applied mathematics, EM fields and waves, electromagnetics, MHD, plasma physics, and science, technology, and society. He's conducted research on the geospace environment, space plasma physics, modeling and simulation, MHD, and EM fields and waves. Importantly, he has served the community as director of Thayer's MS and PhD programs, senior associate dean, and interim dean. He has served on committees too numerous to count, including, along with Professors Chris Levy and Peter Roby, overseeing the planning, design, and successful completion of the McLean Engineering Sciences Center. Most recently, he, in 1 year, led the search for Thayer's new chief financial and administrative officer, acted as part of the president's strategic advisory group, and serves as one of 7 faculty members who are Dartmouth's new Society of Fellows Selection and Advisory Committee. Thank you, Bill, for all of your service to Dartmouth and Thayer. And our final award this morning is the Outstanding Service Award for Staff Contributions. And this award in 2016 is presented to Mary Kay Brown, our biotechnology laboratory instructor. Mary Kay is an indispensable member of the Thayer biotech community, as anyone who has ever taken a class in the biotech field knows. She not only manages routine business for at least 3 research groups and supports and participates directly in research herself, but also teaches undergraduate and graduate biotech labs, mentors independent undergraduate research projects, and helps manage and maintain the infrastructure related to our biotech teaching and labs. In addition, she serves on numerous committees, including an important role on the design committee for Thayer's planned new and expanded building. As one of her colleagues put it, she's a huge part of the camaraderie and culture that make Thayer such a fantastic home for students and scientists alike. Thank you, Mary Kay, and congratulations. And finally, I would like to just briefly mention and acknowledge 2 members of the Thayer School faculty who were recognized by Dartmouth this year for their outstanding work in graduate student mentoring. In 2016, Dartmouth awarded Faculty Mentoring Awards based on nominations from all of Dartmouth's graduate programs, where students submit letters of recommendation to the Graduate Student Office for faculty members who, I quote, exhibit excellent mentoring qualities, recognition from the student body for those who have gone above and beyond to support, guide, and encourage them in pursuit of their research and scholarly careers. It is my honor to announce that this year's recipients, 2 recipients, were both from the Thayer School of Engineering. If you're here, I'd ask you to just stand and be acknowledged. Professor Ryan Halter and Professor Margie Ackerman. Congratulations.